Next, I want to talk about us. Whoa. It's like a quick finger on this. I keep going too far ahead. So one of the things we want to talk about is that we have different ways for you to reach out to our live people to learn about our products. So from our website, we have a pure chat feature.
Yeah.
You can email sales@videoguys.com. Our sales team monitors that constantly. You can call us at 800-323-2325. How do you like that? I put a typo. We'll fix that in post. And then we also have people working Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. And then we have a lot of special media. But right now, what I want to do is I want to go over to Jamie's machine, and she's going to show off how the chat feature works. So Jamie, take it away.
So if you go down here, you see our little chat button. So you can type. We'll say, do you have the PTZ Optics 30X cameras in stock? And we'll send that over.
Cool. And while we're waiting for that answer, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to cheat ahead. We don't. We know how hard they are to get, and we're trying to get them as much as we can. But we see here now that Adam is joining the chat, and he's going to get back to Jamie shortly, and he's typing something. So,
He said, sorry, we're out of stock of the PTZ Optics 30X, but I can help you with a back order. Would you like to call me, or should we handle it over chat?
So that's just another example of how we can help you through live people with a handoff from chat to phone or email if you needed a formal quote for something. These are different tools. We want to be there to serve our customers, to give them the best possible customer service. And Jamie, you used to be in our customer service and order entry. So, you know, what do? We get, if someone calls and they say they have a problem with their order, what do?
We help them right away. We will do anything to make sure the customer is satisfied.
Yeah, we put your satisfaction first. We know shipping and mistakes happen. We don't pretend to get everything perfect. What we do is we make sure we make good, and we do everything we possibly can to make sure our customer, that's you, are happy and satisfied.